Fantastic. Are you in the dungeon?
Hold on. Let me put the headphones on. It's because I was not connected yet.
Okay.
It sounds like an echo, huh?
Are you in your studio?
No, I'm actually just at home.
Oh, bummer. So we are recording this live. I was hoping you'd throw me a beat or something.
Oh.
Come on, I need something we can get crunk to. Let's get this done.
I like the intensity, though.
I was like, we got a design brief with the DJ. I know I'm going to do music here. Play something.
Make it a party instead of a meeting?
Yes, well, we do both. That's the benefit of our lifestyle is there's a gray area in between work and play.
Definitely.
That's what happens when you love what you do.
Yeah, that's true. It's not really work. It's just living.
Just living. Boy, I just posted something on Facebook about that yesterday. Awesome. Well, we're going to do really well together because we come from the same mindset. Okay.
I like that.
All right, let's do this. So we're going to record this session. That way we can use it for training for other people. We can use it to promote the process. You can get people excited about your new website that's coming online and so forth. You can go back and reference it as well. But you'll have that video. It'll probably take a week before it comes out. The video actually comes out, maybe less. But once it does, we'll send it over to you, and you can use that as you want as well.
Cool. Sounds good.
Awesome. Okay, so we had picked out a domain name last time we were on the phone together. What was the domain name?
We did DJ Burns, but I went back to go buy it, and it was not available. I don't know if we typed it in differently or something.
Let me go back to GoDaddy. Let's go see what we got. BURNS, right?
Yeah.
Oh, it is so not okay. I need some creative people to give me an idea. What other domain names do you own?
I don't own one, but I was thinking of going with official DJ Burns just because, I'm not exactly sure what else. I was just kind of thinking, and I think that was available too.
Yep, that is, and that's your Facebook brand, actually.
Yeah, so it's kind of close hand in hand. Kind of.
Actually, I like that because it matches your Facebook page as well.
Yeah.
So let me ask a couple hard questions just to make sure I'm on the same page.
Okay.
In the future, can you see yourself running, managing, or having other DJs that work for you?
I think so, yeah.
Okay.
But, obviously I would want to focus more on, my personal growth, but I would definitely want to, coach and, have other DJs, on board with me, as a team type of thing, like traveling together, going on tours together, making music together, and definitely collaborating with other DJs.
Okay. All right, good stuff. So that's something to remember from a brand standpoint as well as corporate name, DBAs, and so forth, like DJ Burns and Company or something like that. I'm sure you can come up with something hotter for the DJ industry. Okay. So let's go. All right, you're going to want to buy that. Make sure when you buy it from GoDaddy. You're going to need a login and password. I'm going to show you where to go drop in the login and password because we're going to need that. Let's see here. So on here, there's a few things we need logins to because they're going to integrate some of your social media and analytics and some other things. So I'll show you where those forms are as well. All right. So types of web forms. Let's scoot down to call to actions before we get into web forms. And actually, I'm just going to move these for you up to web forms. When it comes to you wanting to get somebody to connect with you, what kind of phrasing are you using? Get a quote, schedule your party, schedule an event, get an estimate. talk to me about those kind of call to actions you would want to have throughout the website on different pages.
Just like the wording of it, you mean?
Yep, just wording.
Maybe something along the lines like booking, like for booking, contact, something like along those lines.
Okay. I'll say, how about something simple like we'll call you, and it's a web form they can fill out.
Okay.
Make it easy. So I have book us for your next event, book DJ Burns, we'll call you. Do you ever do quotes or estimates?
I do. I mean, obviously, it just depends, like, on what the event is and how many hours, what they want. So definitely,
Okay.
it could vary.
Actually, let's take a quote. Okay. So these are going to be primaries. The web forms are going to be short. I'll go through and put the details in there. When somebody fills out a web form, what email address do you want it to go to?
JulianDJBurns@gmail.com.
All right.
And I had a question about that. I've seen other people where like they link their website to like an email, so like they say like mail at, like, for example, officialdjburns.com or something like that.
Yeah,
Like,
absolutely.
how does that work? Is that
We'll
just
set that up for you
different?
once you have your domain name and you're getting ready to go live.
Okay.
You'll submit a request for the email accounts you want us to set up for you. You'll probably just create a couple, like two, and that are basic. So you'll probably have yourself and then maybe something that's either sales or admin or something generic.
Okay. Yeah, because I know that definitely does look a little bit more professional and like legit
Absolutely.
than just like my email address.
So this one they won't see because it'll be built into the web forms, but anything that's
Yeah.
public, we'll make sure and use the your primary.
Okay, cool.
I'll say DJ. All right, purpose of website. So my thought process is you probably want to primarily use this for lead generation, which would be new client acquisition.
hmm
Okay, and then also improve operational efficiencies as far as when you've got somebody that wants to get basic information on you, who you are, and so forth. It makes it easy. Would that you see that as a goal?
Sorry, can you repeat that?
So as far as the purpose of the website, would you agree that using the website to improve kind of some of the operational things you have going on in your business would be important? As far as them getting information, figuring out what kind of parties or events that you do, stuff like that?
Yes.
Okay. I'm going to say logistics. All right, what else would you say would be the primary purpose of your website?
I would say also like having kind of like the social media information on there, just because I'm not able to get them all like the same name because of like, like they're not available, kind of like the whole like domain names. And then also to really to show how like I'm taking DJing seriously and I'm professional, but at the same time it's like it's fun and I'm experienced. I'm not just some random kid with a laptop.
Awesome. Okay. Um, what about a unique selling proposition? What do you feel like is something you really want to stress that's different about you?
Um, I guess I would say I'm not sure how to explain it. Kind of, I don't know. There's like a bunch of little things. Like for example, I guess I'm fun, but then also I like to cater towards the audience while still remaining with my own style. If that makes any sense.
Okay.
And then let me see. And I don't know. I feel like I'm really like dedicated and really hardworking, and I'm not giving up. Like it's gonna be consistent. It's not just one day everything's gonna stop, and I'm not gonna give up.
Okay. Okay, so fun and exciting events, audience focused. And then professionalism and consistency. Would you agree with these?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm going to say professionalism, reliable. Reliability and consistency. All right. Give me some ideas on the theme, the overall feel of the website.
Definitely fun.
Okay.
For sure, I want it to be like something that just being in the website, it's fun to be in. There's like there's a lot going on, but it's not too much.
Okay.
And I also want to do it kind of where it's like people would go there to kind of see like what's going on in like the DJ world, what's going on with music. Kind of, I mean, that would kind of also go into like my what are they called? The bios? Is it bios? No, like not a bio. Blogs. There you go.
Yep. So we'll have events, what's happening. Let's see here. I'm just going to put those things down lower. So as far as the overall theme and feel, I said fun, entertainment site, interactive, and mobile.
Yeah.
Actually, mobile, social. Good.
Yeah, I definitely want it to be cell phone friendly.
Absolutely, it'll be responsive. Okay. Talk to me about colors.
Green and black and white. Gray, I guess.
Okay.
That's kind of like the theme / like colors of like my logo.
Okay.
Green, just I don't know. I think those are like the main colors right there. For sure, green and black.
Okay. Target audience. Let's break this into types of events you want to focus on.
Okay. Let me see. I would like to focus more on like festivals and like club events.
Okay.
I mean, like that's what I want to focus on, but I also don't mind doing like the proms and the weddings and stuff like that, but I wouldn't want to focus too much on that just because I feel like I'm kind of already doing that, but I want to really expand more into clubs and festival type of events, special events, stuff like that.
Okay. So if we put festivals, club events, and special events, and then under special would be weddings and proms and parties and stuff like that. Under special, would that make sense?
Yeah, that would kind of just fit into special events. Yeah.
Okay.
I don't think we need to really list them because then I think it kind of draws away from the whole club and festival focus.
Absolutely. Okay. Perfect. Header elements. So the header is going to be the very top section above the navigation. Let me just pull up sites. So that's what's happening up here. So you'll see for me, I have sign up is most important, book a speaker is most important, search, and just our logo. Now, it'd be good to have social media links, but I have them all throughout the entire site. So just kind of giving you an idea of where that area is. I would say for you, we need left is going to be logo, center, and then right. Under right, we should have search, social. What are the social media accounts? I know you have Facebook. What else?
Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat. I guess Snapchat counts as a social media thing now, I guess.
Anything else?
Nope.
Okay. What about like listening to my music on
YouTube?
SoundCloud or something like that?
Yeah, I have a SoundCloud actually.
Okay, I'm gonna put that right in the middle. So what would we tell people? Listen to my music, or what does that sound like?
I think so. I mean, that would be part of it, but I think it would be more like focus on like bookings.
Okay.
But we also do want to kind of give them an example of like the music that will be presented.
Okay. Book us for your next event? Something like that? Okay. All right. That's okay. Do you have a tagline?
Like a quote or something, or what is that?
So DJ Burns something. Do you have kind of a tagline that you've used to reference?
Not really. I mean, I've had like jokes here and there, but they're not really like official or anything like that.
Okay. All right. Let's go through. You've got a 5-page site, so let's make this count. Let's do home. You definitely need events. You definitely need blog. You definitely need contact. So this is going to be, my guess is services.
Okay.
What you're going to need to do, this will be important. After your website goes live, you need to get into our training program as fast as possible. And we're going to need to get 1 page per target audience that you want to go after. We're going to need a page that's only about hiring a DJs for festivals, a page that's only about DJs for club events. Same thing with all the other types of events that you want to go after. Really, really, really important. So right now we're going to start off this way, but it cannot stay this way. We have to, in order for this thing to work for you, have additional pages. And those will, I'm going to just put a note in here that says make sure to code for drop downs. Okay. All right. You've got 2 primary sliders for your website that were included in your program. So one, I'm going to say we focus on the festivals, and the other one on clubs. Your thoughts?
That sounds good.
Okay. So what I need is, I need a header line that would be like a bigger text. So you see how this has a header that's a big piece text and then a small sentence underneath it. It doesn't need 2 lines, but it needs a header text, and then it needs a call to action. So, something like this.
I like that.
Okay. And then I need something that was easier for me than festivals. Help me with this one.
Maybe something that says like a worldwide type of thing, so where it's
Okay.
not just like, oh well, he only does Fresno or he only does California, where it's willing to like travel anywhere or something like that.
Worldwide. I keep wanting to say like Master Flex. Keep having go through my head. Oh, vinyl would be good right now. Okay. Let's see here. Let's say, like that.
That's pretty good.
So give me some kind of live, like, let's get this party. What do we say under here? I need something bold.
Let's see. Turn up with DJ Burns.
Okay. Turning it up with DJ Burns.
No, just turn up. It's like the new lingo, I guess.
Turn
Kids
up.
these days. Yeah.
Oh, I
Turn
am
up.
so out of date. That just made
Yeah. That's like another part of this job. You kind of have to like keep up with all that stuff.
Turn up with DJ Burns.
Yep.
See, I could be an MC.
You did that really.
All right, I'm gonna do some intros for him.
There you go. Make it drop.
All right. Okay, let's see here. So homepage elements. Do you have any videos?
I have some, but I think I need to like really like hire somebody or find somebody who has like a camera, because like, I mean, as of now I don't have too much professional stuff. I have maybe like 3 or 4.
Okay.
So there are some videos, but I definitely do need more.
Where are you located?
Fresno?
Fresno. Do you have any events going on in let's see here. What are we May? June 6th, no, June 10th through the 18th?
Let me check. Hold on. June 10th through the what? 16th? 18th? No, I don't.
Okay, if you book something during that time frame, then we could shoot some video. 'Cause we'll be
Cool.
out that way.
I like that. All right.
Okay. All right, let's see here. Homepage elements. So this is like the bulk of the guts of the page, the interior of the site. Let me just show you a couple examples so you can kind of get some ideas. All the pieces of your homepage are real estate. So I'll just pull this one. This is obviously a different example, but just to kind of give you an idea of elements. This is the header area. This is your navigation. These are the sliders we just agreed to. Now here it's going to say festivals, clubs, special events. So we're going to drive them into 3 calls to actions up top. But what other kind of areas do we have that we want to call out? You might have content for. So do you have photo galleries, pictures? Do you have testimonials?
Yeah.
Okay, which ones?
Definitely pictures and testimonials are good. I know that's something that they reviewed at the DJ conference in Vegas, where like that's something that's really important to have, because it shows that there are people that actually appreciate what you're doing.
festivals, clubs. Okay, photo gallery, displayed. I'm gonna say displayed like on an iPhone or a tablet.
Yeah. Mm-mm.
Actually, just on the tablet. Okay. All right. SoundCloud, and then we have events. What's happening?
Mm-hmm.
Or do you want to say something else, like the hottest DJ events worldwide, or something like that? Talk to me about that area.
Kind of like catch DJ Burns or something like that. Like,
Okay. 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 I like that. Now, I don't know how this works. I'll have to go look. We'll go look at that and see what kind of embedded widgets they have.
mm-hmm.
Okay. Calls to actions. I already did that. Delete row. Okay. Do you have any websites you think are just hot, hot, hot? You want them to look at for ideas?
There's a booking agency that works with different DJs. It's called Scam Artist, SKAM. I know they're like really successful. They have DJs that they book for like Vegas and festivals and just like worldwide events.
Okay. Cool. Oh, perfect. I needed to see how they implemented that. Okay. Okay. I like that. Any other sites?
I'm not sure. I mean, well, like in that site, I know there's like DJ Vice. I think he had a good website, and then I don't know. There's like other websites that you can kind of go off of from theirs.
Okay. What was the one you just talked about?
DJ Vice, VICE.
Jeez. Let's go see what it's got. Well, so he's doing a great job marketing himself on everything but his own site.
Yeah.
Let's see. Okay. Cool. I like the background.
Yeah.
Okay. So as far as stock images, clubs, Okay. Any other changes on that?
I don't know, maybe like college events too.
Okay. Perfect. No. Do you have your logo? I know I saw it on Facebook a while back. Was that a professionally done logo, or did you guys do that yourself?
I had one of my buddies make it for me.
Can he get us the ESP or PSD file?
I'm sure he still has it. I'll ask him to send it to me, and I'll just forward it to you guys.
All right, perfect. So you're going to have a project in Basecamp. You probably already have it. Have you seen any messages from Basecamp?
I think I did. Was that like the Google Doc one? Was it?
Yeah, you'll get a couple of them, but Basecamp is going to be primarily where you communicate with the team. So what'll happen is at this point we will take this design brief, we'll submit it to your Basecamp, to our design team. Our design team will, over the next, 4 or 5 days, they'll come up with your homepage design. Once we have, you can put in your changes directly in Basecamp, tell them what you want to change or what you want to do different, add or delete. Once you approve your homepage, then your homepage will go into development. And essentially from that, all we need from you is content for each of these. So for now, you don't have to worry about it. Your goal, because you don't have a site, is come up with a gorgeous, gorgeous shell. Don't get stuck too much in content, otherwise you'll have a site that's sitting on a shelf forever, and that does no good. So we'll come up with a really good-looking shell to the site. We'll get basically a services page. We'll put up an events calendar, a couple blog posts, and your contact information. And then let's get this site live as fast as possible. Then you're going to get into training. And training, I just did a 1-hour session today with a bunch of clients, and it was all about how to use your WordPress site, how to add pages, how to add posts, how to add call to actions, how to embed lead capture forms. So there's tons and tons of training videos. So as soon as this thing goes live, we're going to want to make sure that you jump right in and start learning how to use this site to market your business.
Cool.
Okay. Let me move down here. Further requirements. Do you have any association badges, banners? Do you belong to any groups that allow you to put a banner on your site for credibility?
No.
Okay. And do you have any, let's see here. So let's go through the footer real quick, which is the bottom section of your website, and that's an important area. So we're going to go left, center, right, center, and right. And we need to come up. This is going to be static on every page of your entire site. If you go down here, her footer area, this area is going to be on every single page. I'll just go pick another one. So if you go down, you notice they have get in touch with us with their contact information, social sites, sign up for a newsletter, download our mobile app, and get an estimate. That is a very, very nicely designed conversion page.
Okay.
So for you, for the left-hand side, do you want to put general contact information and your social media accounts?
Yeah.
Info, name. Do you put an address on anything?
Like an actual physical address?
Or do you not put that on stuff?
No, not really.
Okay. Phone number? What number?
It's area code 805-878-0083.
Okay. And we have the email address at the top.
Oh, it's 0083, not 88.
Okay. 83?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, left center. Are you using MailChimp or any newsletter signups?
No, I'm not. I think that's actually something I also need to do.
Let's do that. So I'm going to have sign up for our newsletter. Do me a favor, go get a MailChimp account. Go to MailChimp.com and sign up for an account. It's free. Okay. And do you have a mobile app?
No, I don't. That would actually be super cool if I could get one.
All right. Then what I'll do is I'll drop, so a mobile app would be, if you just had the basics, then it matched your site, it would be $500 and $100 a month. So I can put on here, I can have them design a mobile app and say coming soon, and you can leave it in there until you can do that, or we can do that later.
Okay.
I think that'll look good. It'll be a good placeholder. And then the next one is book DJ. Okay, I like that. That's a good footer. All right. So the biggest thing I can tell you is this is just a start. You're gonna have the framework of a Lamborghini, but we've got to put in all the interior. So after this site goes up, we've got to really be working on interior pages that are focused on all the different services that you do, and all the questions that they ask. It's going to take time, but this will turn into the work you put into your Facebook page right now is temporary. Every piece of content you put in there, after 10 minutes, 5 minutes, an hour, depending on people's speeds, it's gone. The work you put in on your website, it's permanent. This will become a permanent asset that markets for your business forever. So this will turn into your livelihood as far as you develop. This becomes your sales force.
Okay.
Okay. All right. I think we've got everything. Anything that you think I might have missed in everything we've done so far?
I don't think so.
All right, sounds good. Then
I think we're good. Yeah.
perfect. I'll get this in. Make sure you accept that Basecamp notice, because the next thing you're going to see is the designers uploading your homepage, and that'll be in a few days.
Okay. And then for that, how do I do that exactly?
You'll get an email. Let me just go into Basecamp and let's go. I'll resend the request right now so you get it.
Okay.
So let's see here. DJ. You're already in. You're already in, and you have a logo up. You have everything.
Oh, okay.
So gorgeous. So
I did do it right.
yeah, you did great. I'm gonna send a quick test message. You can reply directly to the test, and it'll automatically go back into Basecamp. But when they get your design implemented, they're gonna send a message. You'll see as soon as you log in, it'll be a design that's. So let's just go ahead and knock this out. Let me share this with my guys. Okay, so I'm going to go in here, say message. I'm going to say okay. All right. So I will CC you on this so you have it. And other than that, few days and you'll see it pop into here. When you give design feedback, you're going to give design feedback starting at the top of design and working backwards. So if I was the easiest way to communicate with the design team is to say the header area, change this, this, this. And if you can refer to left, center, and right, that helps them.
Okay.
Navigation, slider. This is the body, and if you can always reference the body, so I would say the body under our gallery, change blank, blank, blank. And this is the footer. So you just want to start at the top, and you want to make a list of all the changes that you have beginning to end, and then most likely you'll wake up the next morning and they'll be done and have the design changes in your inbox.
Cool.
Cool. As soon as you give a thumbs up on this particular design, then it'll go into development and your website will be on its way to completion, and we can go live just a week or so after that.
Nice.
Cool.
I like it.
Awesome. 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 All right. Well, I was hoping for an outro too, but. All right, sir. Thank you so much, Julian. I appreciate you trusting us with your project, and you'll have a hot website. This will be great, and it will be much less effort than you doing it yourself.
Cool. I'm excited.
Okay, cool. All right. Thanks, son. I appreciate you, and we'll talk to you as soon as your designs come in. Mike will give you a ring, and he'll go over your changes with you.
Awesome. Definitely. Thank you. I appreciate it.
All right. Thank you.
All right. Have a good one.